Here's problem 2821. Determine the potential difference VA minus VB for the circuit shown. To find the potential difference between these 2 points, A and B, we'll need to find the currents in our branches, at least in one of the branches. So let's go ahead and do that. Solve this the same way we've been doing the other problems. First thing is to mark our batteries, positive and negative according to the long and short bars. And then assume current directions. We'll go with our batteries for this. So this I1 is coming around like this. And then going with this battery here, we'll have I2 going up like this. So I1 and I2 are both entering this junction up top here. So we need a current coming out. So I'll have I3 coming out like this. So our first statement would be that I1 plus I2 equals I3. Alright, sounds good. Let's say we want to find I3. Let's mark our resistors first. So we have for I1 positive and negative for this resistor on the bottom as it enters from the right and exits on the left. For the middle resistor, we have positive and negative as this current enters on the bottom and exits on the top. And for I3, we have positive negative like this and positive negative like this. Okay, let's walk our way around the outer loop. And we have, as we start from point A, we'd have a negative 10 plus 10I3 plus 10I3 plus 10I1 equals 0. So I want I1 in terms of I3, so I have 10I1 is equal to 10 minus 20I3. Or I1 is equal to 1 minus 2I3. Alright, let's look at the right loop. I have, starting from this point right here, I would have a negative 15 plus 10I2 plus 10I3 plus 10I3 equals 0. So I would have that 10I2 is equal to 15 minus 20I3. Or I2 is 1.5 minus 2I3. I know that I1 plus I2 equals I3. So I have 1 minus 2I3 plus 1.5 minus 2I3 equals I3. In other words, 2.5 is equal to 5I3. I3 is equal to 2.5 divided by 5, or 0.5 amps. This actually is the same problem as the previous one. If you rearrange the circuit, you can actually make it look like the same circuit in problem number 20, where we solved for I2 in that problem, but I2 is the same as I3 in this problem. So anyway, we got I3 equal to 0.5 amps. We want to find VA minus VB. So for VA minus VB, we're going to walk our way from A to B. Let's do it so that we only use I3. So I'm going to walk from A to B this way. And if I do that, then that'll be equal to a negative 10 plus 10I3. If I can get this to right. So that's going to be equal to a negative 10 plus 10 times 0.5 and that would be a negative 10 plus 5, or a negative 5 volts. So that's our answer. VA minus VB is a negative 5 volts.